Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WeTransfer for large video file deliveries. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate WeTransfer for large video file deliveries, first, open your preferred web browser. Type in www.wetransfer.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the site loads, you'll see the home page with a simple interface. Click on the I need to send large files option. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. To do this, click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner. Fill in the required details like your email address and a strong password. After entering your information, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the WeTransfer homepage and log in using your credentials. Now that you're logged in, you can choose to send files or access other features. Click the plus icon or drag and drop your video files onto the interface. Notice the size limit displayed. Ensure your video files are within this limit. If necessary, consider splitting large files into smaller parts using video editing software. After adding your files, enter the recipient's email address in the designated field. You can also add a personal message if you'd like to include additional details. Next, enter your own email address so the recipient can reply if needed. When everything is set, click on the Transfer button to send your files. WeTransfer will start uploading your video files. This process may take some time depending on your internet speed and file size. Once the upload is complete, the recipient will receive an email with a download link. Your large video file is now successfully delivered using WeTransfer. You can log back into your account anytime to check the status of your transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.